Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to rename your car if you want to do that. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Hey guys, so I actually did this video about a year and a half ago, but that was when the T was still up here. So in a recent update, I don't know, a couple months ago, they actually got rid of the T because I guess Elon felt it wasn't necessary or whatever. So all the stuff that you would hit for the T is in other places now. So basically how you rename your car now is if you go down to the car button down here and then go down to software. And then what you can do is hit your name. So this is your car name right here next to the Model 3. Just hit it. And then you can change your name to whatever you want. So let's just change it to Nukem 384. Save, and there you go. So that changes it. So that's all you need to do. That's how you change it now. So hopefully the video was helpful. If it was, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.